Hi friends, this is KB Gupta, your friend, philosopher and guide. My mission is to make your life better every passing day. I wish you a very happy New Year 2021. I wish and pray that this New Year brings normalcy to our life and we forget the year 2020. पर आप मुझसे पूछेंगे क्या इतने पेनफुल ईयर को भूलना आसान है? क्या हम भूल पाएंगे? Friends, let me narrate certain incidents which shook the humankind, and today we have almost forgotten them. On 6th August 1945, when World War II was going on, America dropped first atom bomb in the Japanese city of Hiroshima. 3 days after that, another atom bomb was dropped in the city of Nagasaki. In the city of Hiroshima only, an area of 30 square kilometer was affected. About 2 lakh to 3 lakh people lost their lives in these two cities. Not only that, by the radiations emitted by the atom bomb, many lakh people were crippled. Not only the people who were living at the time of dropping of the bombs, but next 2-3 generations also. But today, if you visit Hiroshima or Nagasaki, life is normal, cities look like beautiful cities and people have almost forgotten this. Friends, सितंबर 1994 में गुजरात के सिटी सूरत में अचानक से प्लेग फैल गया। प्लेग से लोग घबरा गए, लोग शहर का पलायन करने लगे और लगभग 2 दिनों में 2 लाख लोग शहर को छोड़ के भाग गए। ऐसे कहा जाता है कि पार्टीशन के बाद ये सबसे बड़ा पलायन था। लोग घबराए हुए थे और तरह तरह की अफवाहें फैल रही थी। किसी को मालूम नहीं था कि प्लेग फैलाने वाला बैक्टीरिया हवा से आ रहा है या पानी से आ रहा है। प्लेग फैलने का कारण सूरत शहर में बहुत सारी गंदगी थी, नालियाँ खुली रहती थी और कचरे के ढेर जगह जगह शहर में लगे हुए थे। वहाँ के लोगों ने इससे सबक सीखा और पूरे शहर को नीट एंड क्लीन बना दिया। इसका प्रभाव ये रहा कि ईयर 1996 में सूरत शहर को क्लीनेस्ट सिटी ऑफ द इंडिया डिक्लेयर किया गया। इतना ही नहीं, आज 26 वर्ष बाद भी सूरत की गिनना हमारे क्लीनेस्ट सिटीज़ में होती है। वर्ष 2020 के सर्वेक्षण में सूरत को पूरे भारत में सेकंड क्लीनेस्ट सिटी का अवार्ड दिया गया। फ्रेंड्स, on 26 January 2001, when the whole country was celebrating our Republic Day, a very powerful earthquake shook Gujarat. In the morning, when the school students were parading in the streets of Bhuj, all buildings started falling like building of cards. बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स उस मलबे के नीचे दब गए और बहुत से लोग मर गए। पूरा भुज शहर वीरान हो गया, लेकिन इसके पश्चात इस सिटी को दोबारा से बनाया गया, सड़कों को चौड़ा किया गया, नई इमारतें आई और आज के दिन में भुज इतना सुंदर लगता है कि इसको देखना चाहिए। Friends, in my previous video, I mentioned about the plight of people who migrated during the partition of the country in 1947. But they faced the situation very bravely. Though they did not have opportunities to get government jobs, but they started doing something on their own. I have heard the stories that in the morning they will purchase 1 bag of sugar from the wholesaler and sell it to retail customers at the same cost. Their profit was only selling of the gunny bag. Similarly, one of my friends told me that his elder brother used to sell peanuts, grams and candies outside school in the recess. All of them are well off today. After this incident, third generation has taken over. They do not correlate to the miseries of their forefathers. And whatever they hear about partition days look like bedtime stories to them. Friends, as far as corona situation is concerned, green shoots are visible. Vaccinations are in the advanced stage. Economy is also recovering. It is heartening to note that our agriculture produce increased even in corona times. There is increased production in manufacturing sector. There is increased sales in vehicles and white goods. For the first time after corona, our GST collection has crossed 1 lakh crore rupees mark. Things are moving in right direction, and that day is not far away when we will forget this situation as a bad dream. The only thing required is a bit of patience and faith in ourselves. Friends, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like and share it and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press bell button to know about my coming videos. See you on the same time, same day next week. This was your host KB Gupta on KB Gupta Live.